Fasting could be the key to unlocking greater peace, purpose, and spiritual growth, and it doesn't cost a thing. While fasting has made headlines for health benefits like detoxing cells, burning fat, and even slowing aging, what most people overlook is its ancient role as a gateway to profound spiritual connection. For thousands of years, fasting has been used to elevate the mind, heal the body, and connect with something greater. Today, we'll reveal why fasting is such a powerful tool for spiritual growth. Dive into the science behind its effects on your mind, body, and soul, and share a step-by-step blueprint to guide you through a safe and transformative spiritual fast, plus tips to avoid the most common mistakes. But before we dive in, a quick note. This video is for informational purposes only and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any fasting practice. Now, let's get started. Ancient wisdom of fasting. Fasting is not a new concept. It's an ancient practice that has existed for thousands of years. Fasting can range from avoiding all food and drink, known as dry fasting, to consuming only water or juices, or restricting certain foods or behaviors in partial fasting. The ancient Egyptians used fasting to purify the body and sharpen the mind. Hindu scriptures, such as the Vedas, describe fasting as a path to spiritual insight, while Greek philosophers like Plato and Socrates swore by it for mental clarity. Fasting is central to many religions too. Buddhist fasting, often practiced by abstaining from food after noon or during retreats, focuses on spiritual discipline, reducing attachment, and fostering mindfulness and compassion. Christians often fast or give up certain foods or activities for 40 days during Lent to reflect, repent, and grow closer to God. Ancient texts and records show that fasting has always been seen as a powerful tool for detoxification and spiritual growth. But how exactly does fasting deepen that connection? Spiritual benefits of fasting. Here are 10 surprising benefits of fasting that go far beyond physical health. Fasting creates a sacred space for reflection, encourages non-attachment, heightens self-awareness, purifies the mind and body, builds emotional resilience, cultivates gratitude, promotes humility and surrender, enhances intuition, strengthens compassion and empathy, and supports intentional living. Fasting is far more than skipping meals. It's a timeless practice that opens the door to deep self-reflection, spiritual clarity, and profound connection with the divine. But now you might be wondering, how does fasting unlock such powerful spiritual benefits? The science behind fasting and how it deepens spiritual connection. While some spiritual fasting practices may include other approaches, water fasting is the most studied for its physical and cognitive effects. When you fast, your body enters a natural cleanup mode called autophagy, which removes damaged cells and regenerates healthier ones. Dr. Jason Fung, author of The Complete Guide to Fasting, describes this process as your body's way of renewing itself, promoting longevity and healing. This concept was validated by Nobel Prize-winning scientist Yoshinori Ohsumi, whose groundbreaking research uncovered the mechanisms of autophagy, highlighting its role in cellular repair and regeneration. Dr. Mindy Pelz, author of Fast Like a Girl, highlights how fasting reduces inflammation, balances hormones, and switches your body into fat-burning mode, ketosis, stabilizing blood sugar and boosting energy. Without constant digestion, your body can focus on repair and restoration. Fasting also sharpens the mind. Dave Asprey, biohacker and author of Fast This Way, explains how fasting clears toxins and improves brain function, often leading to heightened mental clarity. This clarity creates the perfect opportunity for meditation, prayer, and deeper self-reflection. Without food as a distraction, emotions like grief, anxiety, or frustration may surface. Facing these feelings through meditation or prayer helps build resilience and deepen self-awareness. Supported by numerous scientific studies, fasting combines physical repair, mental clarity, and emotional balance to create the perfect environment for deep spiritual connection and growth. The Spiritual Fasting Blueprint. Now that you know the ancient wisdom, spiritual benefits, and science of fasting, here's a simple step-by-step blueprint to help you start your own spiritual fast safely and effectively. Before you begin, here's a quick checklist to help you prepare for a successful and meaningful spiritual fast. First, decide your fasting length. The common ones include intermittent fast, 12 to 20 hours each day. One-day fast, a full 24 hours. Short, multi-day fast, 36 to 48 hours. Extended fast, which can be anywhere from 3 to 30 days or more. Choose your fasting type. Pick the fasting style that works for you. Water-only fasts deliver the most physical benefits, but you can also try a juice fast, a dry fast, or a partial fast, where you eliminate certain foods like sugar, meat, or processed items. Some people even abstain from habits like smoking, alcohol, or screen time to focus on spiritual growth. Set the timing. Pick a start and end time that avoids busy periods like vacations or big events. A quiet weekend is ideal for focus and reflection. Set your intention. Define what you hope to achieve: spiritual clarity, emotional healing, or simply a reset. A clear intention gives your fast purpose and keeps you motivated. Gather your essentials. Prepare water, electrolytes if needed, and the foods to break your fast gently. Don't worry, we'll cover how to do that later. Have tools like a journal or meditation aids ready to capture insights and deepen your experience. During your fast. What you do during your fast can make all the difference in your experience. Here's how to stay energized, focused, and aligned to fully embrace the spiritual benefits of fasting. First, stay hydrated and rest. If you're not doing a dry fast, drink water throughout the day to avoid headaches, fatigue, and dizziness. For fasts over 24 hours, add electrolytes or mineral supplements to maintain key nutrients. Fasting can be tiring, so prioritize rest with quiet moments for reflection or naps, and avoid intense or stressful activities to help your body adapt. Next, engage in gentle movement. Incorporate light activities like yoga, walking, or gentle stretching to boost circulation, ease hunger, and promote relaxation. Avoid strenuous workouts to prevent overexerting your body during fasting. Finally, incorporate sacred practices. Transform your fast into a profound spiritual experience by dedicating time each day to sacred practices. Here are some ideas. Make time for meditation or prayer. Use guided meditations, breath work, or simply sit in stillness to deepen your spiritual connection. We've created a spiritual fasting guided meditation to help you deepen your focus, stay grounded, and connect with your higher self during your fast. Linked in the description below. Connect with nature by walking barefoot on grass or sand, a sacred practice that grounds your energy, calms the mind, and enhances clarity. Incorporate spiritual reading, such as sacred texts or uplifting books, to inspire reflection and growth. Journaling is a powerful way to process emotions and capture insights that surface during your fast. Creative expression, like drawing, painting, dancing, or writing poetry, can also help you channel these emotions into something tangible and meaningful. Acts of service, such as volunteering or helping someone in need, can deepen compassion and strengthen your sense of connection to others. These practices allow you to align your body, mind, and spirit, making your fast a truly transformative journey. Breaking your fast. Breaking your fast is crucial for easing your body back into eating. Start with gentle, nourishing foods like broths, steamed vegetables, lean proteins, complex carbs, and probiotics to support digestion and gut health. Treat your first bite as a sacred act. Thank your body for its resilience and take it slow. Finally, reflect on your fasting experience. Journal your insights and express gratitude for any spiritual or emotional breakthroughs, solidifying the growth and clarity you've gained. Fasting safely. Fasting can be transformative for spiritual growth, but safety comes first. Avoid extended fasts if you're pregnant, diabetic, have chronic illnesses, or a history of eating disorders. Consult a doctor if you're on medications, as fasting can affect how they work. Listen to your body. Stop fasting if you feel dizzy, faint, or experience severe discomfort. If you're new to fasting, start with intermittent or shorter fasts to let your body adjust. Fasting safely is essential, but avoiding common mistakes is just as important. Let's uncover the biggest pitfalls and, more importantly, how to avoid them for a truly transformative experience. Common pitfalls and how to avoid them. 1. Negative mindset. Starting your fast with fear or dread can block your spiritual growth. Instead, see fasting as an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Adopt a positive attitude and trust the process, allowing yourself to embrace the spiritual insights fasting can bring. 2. Starting too big, too soon. Starting with an extended water fast when you're new to fasting can overwhelm your body and mind. Instead, begin with a shorter fast. As your body adjusts, gradually extend your fasting window. 3. Dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. A common pitfall during water fasts is not drinking enough, leading to headaches, fatigue, and electrolyte imbalances. Prevent dehydration by sipping water regularly and carrying a water bottle. For fasts over 24 hours, add Himalayan salt or electrolyte supplements to maintain essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium, avoiding cramps and other health issues. 4. Neglecting how you break your fast. Ending a fast with a heavy meal or fast food can shock your system, causing bloating or discomfort. Instead, ease back in with light, nutrient-dense foods and gradually reintroduce heavier meals as your digestion stabilizes. 5. Forgetting to reflect. Sometimes the hustle of managing the physical aspects of fasting can drown out moments for introspection. Skipping meditation, journaling, or quiet reflection means you might miss out on deep spiritual breakthroughs. Be sure to set aside time and space during your fast to nurture your spiritual growth. You now have everything you need to turn fasting into a deeply spiritual and healing practice. Imagine feeling lighter, clearer, and more connected each time you fast. Remember, you can find the Spiritual Fasting Guided Meditation and our favorite fasting essentials linked in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tools to support your spiritual growth. Fasting is powerful, but making it a habit is the real challenge. Don't miss our next video, where we reveal the secret to building lasting habits that stick, fasting included. See you in the next video.